The United States is the third most populous country in the world, with an estimated population of 329,227,746 as of January 28, 2020. The United States Census Bureau shows a population increase of 0.75% for the 12-month period ending in July 2012. Though high by industrialized country standards, this is below the world average annual rate of 1.1%. The total fertility rate in the United States estimated for 2019 is 1.71 children per woman, which is below the replacement fertility rate of approximately 2.1. The American population almost quadrupled during the 20th century at a growth rate of about 1.3% a year, from about 76 million in 1900 to 281 million in 2000. It is estimated to have reached the 200 million mark in 1967 and the 300 million mark on October 17, 2006. Foreign-born immigration has caused the U.S. population to continue its rapid increase, with the foreign-born population doubling from almost 20 million in 1990 to over 45 million in 2015, representing one-third of the population increase. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.